Yeah, I fuck 'em up. Yeah, I fuck 'em up. I been fucking two days and I ain't nut yet. Looking for your best girl, and bitch you gon' cut the check. She like spooky, what it do? I'm like, bring some company, baby. Go ahead and kill the shit. Ooh, that girl pregnant. Ooh, who baby is dead? Who baby you got in your stomach? Is that enough me? Oh, hold on. Oh, why you did that shit, girl? Oh, it's all mad to be up for the day. Let me go in. All on the rain. I made it rain. I'm going to MLD car. Yeah. That whole shit. Woo!
I'm gonna take my ass to it. Where the fuck you at? Oh.
Yeah. Check it out. Might check 1, 2.
Pants
I'm all up
wet.
in that bit like not where to do. When I step off in the booth, I guarantee you, boy, I spit nothing but the truth. Tell me. I don't give a fuck. I'm super wet. I step up out the shower, your girl get super wet. Matter of fact, she get stupid wet. That's spooky wet. Run around that super G. Hey, what you want to do? Ain't you got some in you? I didn't love to have sex, and I ain't gonna stop playing. They might have to cut me dig out when the stage left. Been fucking all day.
I know.
Been fucking all day. Still ain't met you.
You did suck in there twice.
One time.
You're twice.
Sideways. Hold on. Bring it back, cool. What that is? That blow joke. What the button that scribble? That's what I want to know. What it is? You know what it is?
You sound like my sister boyfriend.
You know what it is? I want to know. Oh, blow joke.
And his name is Darnell.
Hey, we got the Bright House van, and I been a man. But ain't hell no, I ain't no fan. It's raining too damn much, but we need the shit. It be so damn hot in the heat and shit. Be sweating. My fucking draw be sweating. Check my balls out. Yeah, my balls be sweating. I just made it rain, y'all. This the last time I'm gonna make it rain, y'all. I guarantee it. It's gonna be. What you say? You got something in? You have my keys with you?
I would like to.
Oh, I can't make no babies, so I don't know how to ski. All that thing come out is fucking some pee. I can't even fucking ski, y'all. Ooh, it just pee come out. I really can't make. I don't know what it is. I just stopped. Oh, it's my neck right here, right? Back with me.
You can't see your neck.
I know. You got a towel on, you know what I'm saying? When towel, you know. Oh! Is that shit wet, cuz?
You need to stop. You know you gotta go to work.
Woo!
You're like a little kid.
Hey.
How old are you?
Now you getting wet. How old are you, young lady?
I'm 20.
20 who? 7? I think you about 30.
I'm like 30.
Oh, you gonna keep me in my dick. Oh.